Okay, DIY video time. So I'm hanging a shelf for my daughter in her room, and this house has that shitty wall paneling, right? So when you got stuff that's predetermined and you can't hit a stud to get it to where it needs to be, and you have to use wall anchors in a wall panel, there's all different types. Now there's these pop toggles, right? Which you draw three 5/16 hole, push it in, use a little tool to pop it out, right? They work for like trailers and stuff like this. But the thing that I've found that works the best is these drywall anchors. I know everybody got, they're different, but these are the best wall anchors in drywall, I feel, in general, because they're super easy. So all I did is I did the same thing I do for drywall, is I just used a screw to make my pilot hole. They say they're self-tapping for drywall, but it just feels like forced. So I always just use a screw as a pilot. So I just kind of started this one earlier, so I could just see if I could show you this one-handed. You just take it and you just at least get that shitty wood bit. There you go. Then you just thread it in. Boom. Stop right there. Okay. Take your screw, and you'll hear these make a pop. See if we can get it going popping. Hear the pop? Alright. And that thing is in that crappy wall paneling, which is only like, if it's a 1/4 inch, I'd be super impressed. It's probably thinner than that. So, but there's really no good way to anchor stuff in wall paneling. If that thing's even 1/8, I'd be impressed. But I found this works the best out of these pop toggles. I just, for some reason, I did a couple in a closet so I wouldn't make like big holes if I didn't like it, and I just didn't like what it did, because I feel like the pilot hole you have to drill is too big, so it makes such a big gaping hole in the wood paneling that it just doesn't leave enough material to bite onto. But that, I'm telling you, I've done this a couple times now already, and this is golden doing it this way. And then, hang on. And then when you use these in drywall, when you want to patch the hole, you literally just take the screw out, screw it in a little bit more, and then you can just drywall compound right over top of it. All right, bye-bye.